Question. After visiting my doctor last Monday, he told me nothing to worry about, while he prescribed lab tests. I found many symbols in the doctor's request. What is a 6AC blood test and what is meant by 5AC blood test at LabCorp? Also there are other signs which I can't understand. CBC, D, plt+rpr+rh+abo+rub. Please explain.
Laboratories uses such abbreviations to write down the names of lab tests. This way the lab test names will be easier and practical. However, they look like horrible codes for ordinary people. But don't be panic, I will simplify. CMP blood test is a short code for Comprehensive Metabolic Panel. Also may be written, Chem 14 inches, which is a list consists of 1 glucose, for diabetes investigation, 6 from the liver function tests, bilirubin and 2 proteins, the albumin and total protein and 3 liver enzymes alkaline phosphatase, alanine aminotransferase, aspartate aminotransferase, 2 from kidney function tests, creatinine and blood urea nitrogen, 5 serum electrolytes, calcium, carbon dioxide, chloride, potassium, and sodium. CBC is a short form for complete blood count, which consists of white blood cells count, platelets, red blood cells and hemoglobin, a test used to monitor blood cells count and investigation of anemia and blood cancers. Thus, the D in CBC, D, plt, refers to differential count. In other words, it's the count of each type of white blood cells. This differential count of WBC useful to know which type of them are abnormal. For example, neutrophils WBC are those fighting bacteria, and lymphocytes are those white blood cells that fighting viruses. Also, plt is a short form for platelets, a type of blood component that specializes in sealing wounds. (8AC) stands for 8 additional chemistries. Their names depend on the client's agreement with the reference lab, and the letters 6AC is for 6 additional chemistries, and of course, 2AC stands for 2 additional chemistries. Chemistries are the collective name for lab tests used for measuring blood chemicals such as phosphorus, sodium, calcium, etc.
ABO stands for the blood typing system that consists of A, B, O. RH stands for rhesus factor, an antigen on the surface of red blood cells and used with the ABO system to express if the blood of an individual is positive or negative. For example, O+ and AB.